Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Shredcraft RC. I'm Cam, and something that I think not a lot of you understand is Shredcraft's not a business. However, there's a team, so let me take you around to meet the crew. Hey guys, I'm Cam. I run the parts department here at Shredcraft RC. We have a lot of stuff here, a lot of inventory to go through. Got to keep up with demand for all the parts that Cam's making. And yeah, so if you take a look here, I'm in charge of inventorying and going through all the various builds, all the various inventory, making sure we have the right parts on demand for every build coming up on the channel. What's up guys, I'm Cam and I'm the art department here, so this is where I do all the designing, all the logo design, the livery design, stuff like that. We like to keep it trendy, keep it on topic, figure out what's going to be the next big hit for 2025. Art department, I really like my job. This is pretty fun. I get to sit here on the laptop and come up with some cool artwork. Tell me what you guys think. Oh, hey guys, this is Cam over here at Legal Marketing, I guess. Legal and marketing, advertising. I do all the stuff on the computer. I search for trends, I search for ideas, and make sure we keep everything in line, not spend too much on these expensive ass RC cars. So, I gotta get back to work, but thanks for stopping by. Oh hey, it's Cam over here at the paint department. This is where we paint all the sick RC bodies that you see. This is where we touch paint up, add the graphics that the old design department's making over there. So yeah, this is the creative space. Things get dirty in here, Oh, hey guys, this is Cam over here at the tuning department. This is where we'll give you the sickest tune you ever want on your car. Make sure you check out the alignment video. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed meeting some of the crew and checking out some of the many hats that I wear to run this YouTube channel. As I'm sure some of you guys know, it's not always the easiest thing to produce and create original content, but that's something that I enjoy doing and something that I'll continue to do. In 2025, definitely focusing on maintaining a higher level of quality and bringing you guys some of the sickest RC builds that you've ever seen. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you let me know what you think down in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video if you want more. So thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.